the abundance is around you. Yeah, but the abundance is not inside of you. So outside of you, you see, okay, everything is available, but the question is, how does it inside feel?
He explains that most people live with the idea that abundance is something outside of them, something they must acquire through effort, control, and constant striving. They believe abundance lies in possessions, achievements, or status. But Shi Heng Yi reminds us that this approach only leads to exhaustion, because when you believe abundance exists outside, you are always moving away from yourself.
You realize that the abundance on the outside is not what fills that hole on the inside. So, and this is why exactly this approach that I also try to develop myself in is the abundance is never going to be found on the outside. This type of abundance is not going to make you full. So the search is for how can you on a daily basis already wake up being full, already wake up without searching, because this is how I regard as many things that are available nowadays to us on the outside, also technological wise. Our parents didn't have it, our grandparents didn't have it, other generations also didn't have it. So the thing is, in the past it was not needed. It's just like a trend, it's just like a development for our recent generation, but it's nothing that you need. In 100 years they will have other things which are abundant in that type of sense. But what has always been the same is that everybody has always been looking for how to become full on the inside. So, and this is why all the time it is about the perspective upon the perspective, what you have put upon yourself, with what lenses you are watching into the world. And if you are waiting for this world outside there to solve your stomach, your empty stomach, it's not going to happen.
He teaches that life is like a mirror. The outer world is not the source of abundance. It is the projection of your inner world. When the mind is clouded by fear, insecurity, and comparison, no matter how much you have, it will never feel enough. You could stand in a garden full of flowers and still see only what's missing. But when the mind is calm and aware, when you cultivate gratitude and balance within, suddenly even the smallest moment becomes rich. The sun shining through the trees, the sound of your own breath, the company of a loved one, all become expressions of abundance.
Number one, let's just open the hip. Look here, one leg stable, then lift, rotate, foot down, lift up, rotate, down. Yeah, arms used to balance the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
This will improve liver and digestive function through gentle internal massage.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Hands behind the head. Now here, look. Lift the heels up. So actually I'm only on my toe. Yeah, and then from here, right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow, right knee start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This will reduce stress, anger, and anxiety instantly.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Loosen a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, same exercise. Hand behind the head, lifting the knees up. Here only try on the toes. Light legged. Okay, let's go. Another 30. Let's go. Okay, right leg start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Okay. Cross stance. Here. Right leg, left leg. The right leg move behind the left leg, and then from here squat down. Now you see here, this here is my right knee. This is my right knee. My right knee is on the left side of the left leg. Stand up. Left leg behind the right, squat. Down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. Up, step, down. 10 times, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This exercise will help you to activate the healer within. The goal is not to add more. The goal is to remove the noise, the stress, the blockages. What remains is your natural power, your health, your life force.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Good. Then, here. This is frontal position. Left leg to the front. Here, this looks sideways. This is front. Hand, just place them here on your temples. Okay, very easy. Start. Left knee, left elbow. 1, 2. Down, back. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This will activate your core life energy, your healing engine.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch side. This time right leg is in the front, Hands close. First, remember, step in, the back leg. Step in, lift up, down, back. And in, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. In, up, down, out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This movement opens the lungs, increases oxygen intake, and releases emotional heaviness like sadness and grief. It teaches the heart to relax.
Okay, easy exercise. Easy exercise, practicing to coordinate the body a little bit and at the same time holding the balance. So therefore, left leg we do another 20 and right leg also another 20. So let's go. Left leg is in the front. Left leg is in the front. Arms, fingers can touch your forehead, can touch your temples. Remember, step in, step up. Down, back. Okay, 20 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
This stimulates circulation, refreshes the skin, relaxes the nervous system, and brings clarity to the mind.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, switch side. Right leg, 20, then we continue. Here. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. Now some kicking, some light kicking. Left leg and right leg, both. Look from here. Okay, let's see. Left knee up, 1, down. Right knee up, kick, 2, up, kick, 1. Knee first, kick, second, down, 1, snap, 2, snap. 3, snap. 4, 5, 6.
This balances the connection between body and mind, harmonizes yin and yang, and restores inner peace.
Knee 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, rest a moment. Yeah, rest a moment. So now you maybe start to understand a little bit the movement. First, you just lift the knee. When the knee is up, then you bring out the lower leg. First the knee, then the kick. Then same way, back. Okay, next one, 100, left and right 50-50. But concentrate, so while you are doing the kicks, always observe yourself if you are keeping the proper technique. First the knee, then the kick. First the knee, then the kick. 100, let's go. Okay, left leg starts, relax the body, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
This nourishes the kidneys, refreshes the spine, and builds inner vitality, like drinking energy from nature itself.
9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Breathing. Arms open sideways, deep inhalation. And inhale. Exhale.
This releases stress, clears stagnant energy, improves circulation, and refreshes both body and mood instantly.
Inhale. Exhale. And one more time, inhale. Exhale.